Education All Stars, making good choices. Just like our favorite athletes, we can be education all stars by making the right choices in school and in life. But first, let's remind ourselves what it means to be an education all star. Just like the sports stars we admire, we can be all stars in education by working hard, being responsible, and making good choices. So, what are good choices, you might ask? Well, think of them as the decisions that help us grow, learn, and become the best versions of ourselves. Let's explore some examples. One important choice is selecting our friends wisely. Just like athletes pick teammates who support them, we should choose friends who encourage us to do our best and make good choices. Another important choice is how we handle our schoolwork. Athletes practice and train hard to win, and we can do the same by doing our homework and studying regularly. Being respectful and kind to others is a super important choice, too. Education All Stars are not just great students, but also great people. Treating others with kindness is a winning choice. Remember, like athletes, we need to take care of our bodies and minds. Eating healthy foods, exercising, and getting enough sleep are all smart choices. Sometimes we face tough situations or have to make difficult choices. But just like sports stars never give up when things get tough, we can stay strong and ask for help when we need it. Making good choices is the key to success in school and in life. Just like our favorite athletes, we can reach for the stars and become the best versions of ourselves by making good choices.